guys, my name is Alison Tobin and I'm a library assistant here at Desert Hills Library. Today, as a part of our summer reading program, I'm going to be reading you the book, Me and My Place in Space by Joan Sweeney. This is me on my place in space, the planet Earth. Tonight, I can see the moon from my place in space. The moon is a ball of rock that travels in a path around the Earth, just like the Earth travels in a path around the sun. The sun is a really big, fiery star, as big as 1,000,000 Earths. So bright and hot, it lights and heats our whole solar system. 8 different planets, including Earth, that travel around and around the sun. On Mercury, the planet closest to the sun, days are burning hot and nights are icy cold. The sun comes up in the west on Venus. Its gleaming cloud cover makes the brightest planet of them all. My place in space, beautiful Earth, is third from the sun, and the only one in our solar system where living things grow. Long ago, there may have been life on Mars, but now Mars is rusty, dusty, and cold. Jupiter is a massive ball of gas, bigger than all of the other planets combined. Saturn's wide rings are made of ice particles, some as big as houses. On Uranus, it never gets warm, even though the sun shines 42 years in a row. Neptune looks like a blue twin of Uranus. Its great dark spot is a giant cyclone where winds blow at 700 miles per hour. But as big as our solar system is, it is only one tiny part of the Milky Way, an immense galaxy made up of hundreds of billions of stars, some with solar systems of their own. And the Milky Way is only one of the many, many galaxies in the universe. So many, you might run out of numbers to count them. And the universe is so gigantic, you could travel for trillions of years and never get to the other side. Sometimes I wonder, way out in space, is there another galaxy like mine? Another solar system like mine? Another sun like mine? And another planet like Earth? With another someone like me? Could be. Thank you so much for coming to today's story time. And we want to give a big thanks to Arizona State Library who sponsored this Learners and Makers program. Thank you so much and have a good day.
Hi, I'm Sue, a library assistant at Desert Hills Library, and today I will be reading a story for the summer reading program. This is sponsored by the Arizona State Library and its Learners and Makers program. Today I will be reading There's No Place Like Space, All About Our Solar System by Tish Rabe. I'm the Cat in the Hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space, I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high we can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, you'll soon see. The planets in our solar systems. There are 9 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Mercury is close to the sun's burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. On Venus, the weather is always the same, hot, dry, and windy with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here is a clue. It is my home and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It is third from the sun. It is our planet, Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day and it never will stop. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If the earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the earth as it spins on its way, 'cause we're spinning right with it, right now, every day. Next, here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it is bigger than all other planets combined. Saturn has rings. It's so light, who would think? It could float in an ocean and not even sink. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, you see, is a beautiful blue. If you lived on Pluto, it would not be nice. Some astronomers think it is covered with ice. It is chilly and cold every night and all day, for the sun's just a speck in the sky far, far away. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Thing 2 wants to be one. In fact, so do I. We have seen all 9 planets. Now here is a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets you name. Now here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. It's star dot to dot. Use your imaginations and you'll see how big pictures we call constellations. A dog, the great bear, and Leo the lion, Taurus the bull, and a hunter Orion. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball, and it's hot. And there's one star by far, that's our favorite one. We can't live without it. The star called the sun. From the earth it looks big. There's one reason why. It's the closest to earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes would get hurt and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute, 1 million of our Earths could all fit right in it. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror reflects on the sun's light. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go. Fly back up to the stars and take thing 1 and thing 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something that's new. Thank you so much for watching.
Wow, Sue, all of this stuff looks like so much fun and so informative to be able to learn about space.
We are so excited to share this kit with everyone around, and we hope that every child can enjoy to learn about our space and the world that we live in.
And once again, thank you to Arizona State Library for sponsoring this Learners and Makers program. Thank you so much.